Night night, Houston Rockets. Pero aminin ko, Grem, kinabahan ako entering Game 7 knowing kasi the last two games for the Warriors, they didn't really look like the team na the veterans na kasanayan natin. They didn't look like the team na nag 3-1 na when they were up in the last two. They looked like old guys. Just didn't know not knowing how to play. Na-outcoach si Steve Kerr ni Udoka. Pero to set the stage no para sa Game 7 win na to. Kita ko si Steph Curry ngumingiti diyan sa background mo.
Guys,
Uh
we're doing this live, ha? As
oh, we're
in,
doing this live. Oh, as the game is going on. But this is
oh.
patapos na. This is
Mm,
game. Fourth quarter, 20 something seconds left. So
uh,
counted na yan, and this is the Warriors currently up by 14.
14, yes.
So kaya ginagawa na din namin to, no. Let's give credits to Buddy
It's
Hield.
over.
Bibigay ko muna yung credits ko sa mga where credit
Oh,
is due, no, Graham. Buddy Hield, lason. Aaminin ko, lason sobra si Buddy Hield sa laro na to. Nobody expected this to happen. He had 0 points sa last game. Uh,
Warriors fans wanted to trade him or yeah, especially last game nila
ah,
in the regular season, di ba? So this is I didn't expect this from Buddy Hield to be quite honest with you. Uh Steph Curry struggled in the first half. I think only 3 points,
mm.
if I'm not
He had
mistaken.
nothing. He had zero ata nung
He
first
had
half
three
ba?
points in the first half,
Ah, yeah, yeah.
and that's it.
Halos,
Something's
oo.
wrong with Steph. Yung kamay niya, panalala mo yung parang kay Justin Brownlee.
Yung
Mayroong ano dito.
thumb,
Yes,
may
oo. And
sprained thumb siya. May back issue din. And kailangan mo rin sama na all the hits, the bumps na nangyayari in every possession, 'di ba? Nakita mo 'yun. They really yun yung
sinasaktan talaga siya.
sinasaktan talaga siya, but playoff saktan, hindi yung nananakit to injure. It's
Oo.
talagang
Yeah.
physicality na pagdadaan si Steph sa screen mo, bigyan mo ng onting
Yes. Oo.
which is how you're supposed to
Um,
play a superstar like him.
yeah. That is true. You have to play physical with Steph. Here's the thing, going into this game 7, I always go with the home team when it comes to game sevens. Whatever team is
Same.
playing.
Kaya ako natatakot eh.
Kasi it there's always the home court advantage. But with Golden State, they know how to beat this team. I think ito talaga yung preferred nilang harapin in the first round, no? Versus the
Yeah,
Lakers. Because they have
babalikan
two
ko rin,
options.
exactly. Babalikan ko yung regular season loss nila sa San Antonio Spurs. Sabi ko, ano to?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You're
Oo,
not
yung kay
supposed to
Harrison
lose to
Barnes.
us. Oo, 'di ba? Parang how did you
Oo.
even get to that point na walang Wemby, 'di ba? They
Yeah,
clearly
well,
in a rebuild. I mean, di naman sila tapon, no? I'm just saying na you could beat the Spurs easily. Tapos natalo
yes.
kayo. And then babalik tayo sa mga ganun to now. Okay, but maybe they might be matchup hunting. And si Manong told us in like a not sure kung kasama ka nun, pero sabi ni Manong na pro teams really hunt for matchups, especially in the
Yes.
playoffs. So
Yeah.
everything just aligning.
And you're specifically looking for those teams na if ikaw yung prey, uh, hanap ka ng madaling, hindi naman madali, yung mas kaya mong talunin. Like, if
Mas,
Golden
oo,
State
kung
went
kanino ka,
up
sino
against the
mas dehado?
Lakers,
Exactly. Oo.
if Golden State went up
Sila.
against the Lakers, it would
Mahirap.
not be as easy as this. Uh, so they look for Houston because they don't want Oklahoma City. Nobody wants Oklahoma City. Um, so they found Houston, and heading into the series, I thought they should be the favorites, which is ridiculous kasi sila yung seventh seed. But looking at their experience and knowing the fact that they Houston, whoever's playing, whether it's Harden, whether it's
Mm-mm.
CP3, again, I posted this in game one. You put Hakeem Olajuwon, Clyde Drexler, Ralph Sampson, Yao Ming, Trace McGrady. It doesn't matter. They won't beat Golden State, and that's the thing. It's sort of a mental thing. Parang ano na to, equivalent na to ng RHJ versus Ginebra, LeBron versus Toronto, LeBron
Mm.
versus Atlanta, Chicago, Indiana. You I don't know how Steph does this. Pero pag nakikita niya yung pula, parang pag mapasok siya doon sa arena ng
Pati
Houston,
siya,
mm,
nagigising. Para siyang bull whenever you see something
there's
red.
yes, there is something with Steph Curry. But in this game, the game plan of Steve Kerr, I think was really excellent. Nag-zone sila for the majority of the game, and that took yung bigs ng Houston, which killed Golden State in game 6. That
Mm.
caught them off guard. I didn't feel Steven Adams. I didn't feel si Shangun, who was really, really ass today, bro. It reminds me of Japit, to be honest, na pag hindi nakukuha yung baskets, pag hindi
For
nakukuha yung
you
whistle, head
for you
down.
it's Shengun. For you it's Shengun. For me it's Jalen Green, bro. Like sige,
Jalen Green, yes,
finish mo
Jalen
muna yung
Green.
Shengun piece mo. Like I wanna know what made you think na why you felt like he was softer than usual. He was nagre-rely siya sa calls. Pero ito yung
Yes,
dito na pumapasok yung experience, diba, na this team
yes.
has not been in a game 7 yet, particularly the young stars of Houston. So hindi nila alam na the usual calls that you would get from a regular season to even maybe games 1 to 5,
Uh,
hindi mo makakuha yun. You can't rely on that.
and as you watch the game, there are plays na sasabihin mo, oh, that's a foul. That's a foul. You call that in
Daming
the
ganun, di
regular
ba?
season?
Dire-diretso.
No, no, both sides. But no, no,
Both
not in a
sides,
game
exactly.
seven. Oh, not in a game seven where the winner will advance. No, that's not gonna happen. They're interviewing Steph Curry. It should be Buddy Hield, bro. But uh, again, Shangun yan. He relied on the calls, and when he was not getting the calls, hindi siya bumababa sa depensa. He was running with his head down. Parang Japet Aguilar nga talaga. Um, and that doesn't bring a lot of good memories to me. When I see a player, a big man playing like that. Jalen Green, bro. Shout out to Jalen Green. Sana
Shout out to
I mean,
Jalen
you,
Green.
you you could have wore your Apple Watch tractor steps because all you did today was cardio. Other than the garbage time baskets, Jalen Green did not show up. The only time he showed up was game two, where he had 38. Other than that, bro, he was not felt in this series at all. And this is a learning experience for them. I know that term is sort of banned in Philippine basketball
Well,
for
si NBA naman.
sort
NBA
of
topic naman
reasons.
tayo. Oo.
But yeah, this is a learning experience. This is a team that's gonna be scary in in the future. But now the better team, the more experienced team won. I think Houston was the better team in this series until today, until game seven.
Yeah, well, yun yung talaga, no? And Fred
Yeah,
VanVleet, sinabi rin natin sa chat natin to, no, Graham, na he went back to earth. Because he was
uh,
amazing last game. We give credit to where credit is due, no? Pero dito, this is the Fred VanVleet that we all know, na medyo out of rhythm, nagsosolo minsan, but that you get the good and the bad with Fred VanVleet.
tinawid ka na niya ng game six eh. So,
Tinawid ka niya. He did his job. Di
uh,
ba? You can't
the,
expect much more from.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You can expect. I mean, you should expect because he's an NBA champion. He was a contributor in the 2019 Toronto Raptors. But at the end of the day, hindi na siya yung focal point ng offense mo eh, di ba? Pinasa mo na yon sa dapat si Jalen Green na, di ba? But I mean, Thompson was the one who carried them in this game. That guy was gonna be good for a long, long time. So, I mean, Thompson
Yeah,
and
Amen
his twin
Thompson.
brother, Asar Thompson,
Silang dalawa,
uh,
yeah.
I cannot understand how twin brothers can be that good at basketball. Like normally, 'di ba, may isang magaling, may
May
isang
isang
hindi.
bano. Usually may isang
Oh,
bano.
oh,
Or they're
ang
both
galing.
bad.
Tapos they're the same. Sabi ko nga kanina
Oh.
nung si I mean Thompson the third quarter had injury scare yung sa calf. Sabi ko baka nandiyan si Asar Thompson baka pwede niyo magpalitin for a while.
Pare
Hindi
Morris
naman
Twins.
natin
No? Eh, Saks
mahalata
lang.
eh.
Saks lang.
Oo.
Saks
Oo.
lang. Morris
But
Twins. Saks lang.
it's crazy to me that uh when they're making their run, yung Houston, tinatrap nila si Steph Curry sa half court. I I don't I'm not a fan of that, to be honest. Kasi pag pasa niya kay Draymond Green, Draymond is a very good passer. That led to open threes by Buddy Hield, by Jimmy Butler. Pojemski was asked today. He was I don't know how many points he scored, probably eight,
Yeah, we can
ten. Si
check it in
Pojemski,
here.
but he was
Pojemski, I had the stats here beside me kaya nakatingin ako sa
okay,
phone ko eh.
cool because he was missing a
9.
lot. Nine,
4
okay.
for
I mean,
12. 4 for 12.
diba? Pojemski was not even himself, but they were still able to overcome itong Houston. And I did not feel the home court advantage. Did you?
Na-feel ko
When they're
nung
making the run.
nung when they were making the run, may ganyan-ganyan. First quarter ko lang rin naramdaman.
Yeah.
But I gotta give credits to Steve Kerr. Whenever there's a run, remember in the third, timeout,
Mhm.
timeout, timeout.
Yeah.
Parang wala akong
Bumaba sa
pake.
8, bumaba sa
Susunugin
5,
ko tong
bumaba
mga
sa 3.
timeouts ko.
Oo, I can
Susunugin ko
bring
to.
this home.
Oo, parang do or die eh. Parang bakit ko pa to isi-save up? Eh,
Oo,
madadala ko ba to pag na-eliminate kami?
that is
Gamitin
true.
ko na tong, di ba? So, ano din, bigyan natin ng kudos si Steve Kerr. We usually, tawag dito, madaming galit usually kay Steve Kerr.
And
Kasi
that's what I
he's been
don't
out-coached.
understand.
Yeah, yeah. Pero he's been out-coached lately, no? Pero he did a great job stopping the momentum of the Rockets
For
sa Game
sure,
7
for
na to.
sure. Uh, I'm not a Warriors fan, so I really don't
I know. I know.
yeah, you know, right?
I would
But
know.
I
I would
really
know.
don't understand yung hate kay Steve Kerr. Like, this guy is a top 5 coach of all time. For me,
Of
I
all
think it's
time?
not,
Ako
it's
Warriors fan ako,
undisputed.
bro. Pero
Oh,
hindi ko pa siya lalagay sa
he
of all time na top 5,
he
ah.
he won before, he won with Steph before KD, he won with KD, he won after KD. There are very few people that I'll put ahead of Steve Kerr when it comes to head coaching. And today he displayed it. You can criticize him all you want, but in the regular season, but in the playoffs, the way this guy adjusts is just phenomenal. And he is not going to blow another 3-1 lead. Uh, the only thing that I can criticize Steve Kerr for is the lack of Jonathan Kaminga minutes. But other than
Oh,
that, oo, kasi Jonathan, I mean, I would rather have Kaminga than Podziemski. Uh, but other than that, he was magnificent tonight. He kept his team. Uh, he kept the composure of the team, and yun nga,
exactly.
in timely timeouts in the third, the lead went down to 8 timeout, lead went down to 5 timeout, lead
Time
went
out.
down to 3 timeout. He had 3 timeouts in the third quarter. That normally doesn't happen unless a team is having an avalanche. So kudos
Exactly.
to Steve Kerr. This is a young Rockets team that's gonna be great moving forward. Keep an eye on them in the Giannis Antetokounmpo sweepstakes because they have the pieces to trade for Giannis together with San Antonio. But Golden State moves on, and it's gonna be great against Minnesota. Minnesota 6 seed still has home court in the second round. That's
This is gonna
funny.
be fun. This is going to be fun. Feel ko per
Mm.
game, gawa tayo ng ano na reaction. Because Grim, aminin mo, this is a series na worth following for sure. Na
So in in heading into Game 7, I was obviously rooting for Houston. Uh,
oo,
but that's just me, not wanting Steph to get ahead of LeBron in terms of ring count. But if I'm really being honest, Houston versus Minnesota would bore the hell out of me. Like, you cannot pay me enough money to tune in to 7 games of Houston and Minnesota. I'd rather have them see Golden State in the second round, and they will.
Graham, let's end it with a curveball, no? Ako, I'll say it. Let me know if you agree. I would trade Jalen Green over Amen Thompson any day, 10
Oh,
out of 10.
ay,
10 out of
no.
10, si Jalen Green yung iaalay ko for trade baits and I will make Amen Thompson untouchable.
Oh, for sure. Amin Thompson is a jump shot away from being the next Anthony Edwards. Di ba?
Seryoso? Di man lang
Oh,
sa'yo, akin ano naman, Kawhi.
so yeah, could be. Yeah, yeah. Kawhi
For
or
me, Kawhi. Kasi iba si Ant
Kawhi
eh. Ant is
or
really an offensive
explosive, ano?
juggernaut.
Yeah, Kawhi is a good
Kawhi pwede.
comparison.
Kawhi. As a
Kawhi,
ceiling
oo.
na hindi na
Oo.
i-injure. Imagine mo
Yeah,
yun, Kawhi na
yung
hindi na
ceiling.
injure?
Yeah, yung ceiling, oo, yeah, it's Kawhi, hindi flashy, no? Kumbaga sa mga Pinoy, hindi masarap panoorin, pero he's gonna give you 25, tapos babantayan pa niya yung
Two
best
steals,
player
two blocks.
on the other side. Yeah, that's a good comparison. It's Kawhi. Yeah, I'll trade Jalen Green for um I'll, I'll trade Jalen Green for in a heartbeat over Amen Thompson. Here's what I'm gonna tell you. The best way to
Yes.
describe Jalen Green, he is the he is the Kobe Bryant of Monte Ellis's, if
Kobe
you're following me.
Bryant of Monte Elises.
Uh,
Pwede. That is an accurate description,
para
TBH.
siyang, what I mean is, the guy can
Gets yan ng mga ibang
score,
tao siguro. Oo. Yung mga
yeah,
nasa
but
meme culture dyan, gets nyo yan.
yeah, Kobe Bryant of Monte Ellis said the guy will score, but he's not gonna take you anywhere.
Tama. Tama.
Yeah.
He's got his...
I'm thinking probably Michael Jordan of Monte Ellis is, um, because we have seen in this playoffs. I hope he bounce back. He bounces back because kababayan natin yan, di ba? In a way.
Oo, kababayan natin.
Um,
Pero ako kasi Warriors fan ako bago kababayan eh. So,
oh
parang
yeah, for sure. I mean, I
kailangan,
don't
kailangan ko makita
care.
si Monte Ellis eh, di ba?
Ako, I don't care if Jordan Clarkson is playing against any of my teams. I don't care about you, bro. Maybe next time, but not
Oo.
today. But yeah, this series is gonna be exciting. Minnesota and Golden State. I'm I told you, when if Golden State advances, I'll have Minnesota going straight to the finals. I have to
Mm.
rethink that because of what I saw today from Golden State. But Jalen Green,
Napaano ka
if
eh, no? Napaano ka like, wow.
parang wait.
Wow.
But you have to consider yung kamay ni Steph Curry
Yes. You have
because
to, you
Minnesota
thumb, yeah. Mm-mm.
Minnesota has a lot of great wing defenders. We saw that how Luka and LeBron and Austin Reeves felt those wing defenders, and they have the size to combat itong Golden State. But watch out. Tapos na ba yung WWE?
Oh, I don't know. Di ko masyado na-follow ang ano eh,
Yeah, I
WWE eh.
think no. I think this is the outro. Draymond Green versus Rudy Gobert. There will be a fight in this series for sure. Pag nakikita ni Draymond si Rudy Gobert, sigurado may flagrant foul dyan, Nico, na sasakalin ni Draymond si Rudy or papatirin niya, tutulak niya, apakan niya. So you have to watch out for that. One last thing, Jalen Green, if the NBA doesn't work out, Justin Brownlee is getting old. Parang he never needs an import.
Loko ka talaga, putik. Tawa ako doon ah. Justin Brownlee, grabe naman yan. Ano ba yun? Sobrang mahal ng salary ni Jalen Green tapos
Aba, TNT is willing to pay for RHJ. So, you'll never know. But
eh, iba,
this is gonna be great. What's your
nag-slander
pick?
na tayo
Early pick.
dito eh, no? No.
Early pick. Minnesota Golden State.
Man, you know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna say Golden State in
In what?
seven. In
In
seven,
seven.
bro. You're not
You
gonna beat
you
Minnesota in
you
five.
like
You're not gonna beat Minnesota in six.
you
I don't.
you like living a dangerous life.
No, I'm
I
just trying to be
rarely.
realistic. Minsan nga, pwede pa nga sabihin ng ibang tao, realistically, Minnesota in six yan eh. You could say that. Some people could say that.
Yes, but
Baka nga sabihin mo ngayon eh. Oh.
probably not. But
Ah.
I'm early. I'm leaning Minnesota in seven. But the only reason I said you like living dangerously is winning a game seven on the road for the second straight series. Probably taxing sa katawan ng Golden State. But they have the pieces. They have the experience. So I
They
get
have
where
the
you're coming
experience.
from.
Yeah. Yeah, but ano naman, ang takot ko lang is,
I really wish yung Lakers advanced na so we talk every day
oh,
with
oo
Manong.
naman. Oo naman.
I mean, that will test our
Magkaka,
friendship.
okay lang, sanay na ako sa'yo, men. Kung this year lang, kung ano lang, kung this month lang nakita nakilala, and then baka matest pa nga friendship natin, no? Pero magkakilala na tayo for 2 years, so kahit ano pang sabihin mo dyan, I
Oo nga,
think
ano?
I'll be fine with it. Pero yun guys, I know na marami nagtatanong nasan si Graham. Ito, we're gonna have him for the series mo for sure pagdating sa Warriors Timberwolves. The other series baka gawin ko baka with Manong or baka gawin ko solo kasi hindi naman siya as clamored as some of you guys like, no? Kasi marami ring Warriors fans sa Pilipinas, 'di ba, Graham? Aminin natin,
Yeah,
maraming Warriors
but
fans sa Pilipinas.
the USA is really looking forward to Boston, New York. Like that's a big matchup for them.
Ay, actually, oo nga,
That's their
no?
marquee. That's
We
their
could
marquee
also try
kasi
to. Try nga
those
natin
are the
din,
two
Graham.
biggest markets. But we'll see about that. I'm a fan of New York. I always like New York teams.
Yeah,
When
let's
New
talk
York is
about
good,
that.
the NBA is good. But yeah, we'll see. Ano, and Manong, malay mo, makasama natin siya live, di ba? Maybe we can do this live. Who knows?
Sinend ko yung sinabi mo dun sa comment. Sabi niya, ito talaga si Graham Sharp. Tawa siya,
Di
yung
ba?
comment
I
mo
mean,
dun.
that makes sense. That makes sense.
Uh,
But yeah. All right. That's cool.
guys,
Minnesota in seven early.
yan yung prediction mo, no? Ayun, guys,
Yeah, nice.
we have gave our predictions for Minnesota, Golden State, Minnesota. Don't, as always, like, comment, subscribe, follow, 5-star rating on Spotify. Nico here with Graham, also joined by Manong and Mario sometimes. See you all next time, and peace.
Adios, amigos.